Hello food lovers, welcome back to Cook with Antoinette T, where we keep things fresh, fun and flavorful. Today I'm going to show you how to make authentic guacamole in just a few minutes. It's super simple, incredibly tasty and perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a delicious dish. Here's what you'll need to make the perfect guacamole: a ripe avocado, a red onion, which you'll need it finely chopped, a medium tomato, you'll also need it diced, fresh lime for the juice, you'll also need salt and pepper to taste, and finally the coriander leaves or the cilantro. So let's get started. Guys, honestly this was so fresh, zesty and creamy. You'll never want store-bought guacamole again. If you enjoyed this quick guacamole recipe, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your foodie friends and let me know in the comments, what do you like in your guacamole? Subscribe to Cook with Antoinette T for more easy delicious recipes every week, every day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay tasty.